Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set screen time in Vivo Y19. If you are using Vivo Y19 and now you want to set your screen time, so let's see how can you do this. If you want to enable something like this is the screen time of my phone, and here's a briefly glance of the phone. So you can easily do this. You just have to look for an app which is Digital Wellbeing in your phone. If you want to get the app where you just have to go for search, and here just search for digital. But if you won't get the settings here, you have a simple method. You have to go for widgets. In widgets, just look for the app and this which is digital well-being. Just select it, and here select add widget, and after that this time widget will be appear on your screen. You just have to tap on it to see your app activity details or screen time of your phone. You can easily tap on screen time, and here you will get screen time notification received and the times opened. Just select times opened to see how much times your phone has been unlocked. Just tap on it, and here you can easily see how many notifications you received today. Here are my notifications with just 302. So that's how you can easily set screen time on your Vivo Y19 phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.